Let's learn how to divide the number 765 by 5 using the long division method. We know that 5 times 1 is 5 and this 5 is closer to 7. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 6 here. And we know that 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 is closer to 26. Subtract, we get 1. Again this 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 5 here. And we know that 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 765 divided by 5 is equal to 153. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.